this RC, wow, it's huge. I mean, portability in there. Look at this. Look how huge is this. And it comes with the springs. You got this, I would say tire. This right here, you got that gear. So you can catch, if you go on dirt road. Let's see, look, he wants to ride on it. And this is the controller that comes in. Okay, let's get it out. Watch out, guy. Let's get it out first. Okay. And it comes with this charger over here. So give me just a second. So this is what it comes with. It comes with its chargers and instruction. I think in here. I mean, this thing is huge. I mean, my son can fit in this box. All right, let's go ahead and watch out. Let's off right here. Ride this around indoor, outdoor. I mean, you can, but we're gonna go ahead and see. Hey, do not go. Do not go in that box. Get out of there. Don't go there. No. Okay, get out of there. Okay, you can get on. You can ride on here if you want. Look how huge this thing is. Wow. It fits in there. Ride here. And it's lightweight. I mean, this is where to go. I mean, if it's, and it comes with the controller, of course, and let's go ahead and put this stuff away. This thing is huge. So this is the stuff that comes with. I don't know if the battery's on there, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Oh, so basically this thing opens, and this is where you put the steering wheel on. And apparently, while you have your son, he can actually ride it. And then if he don't want to ride anymore, he can actually just switch this off, and he can control it by his remote control. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see how this thing performs. How does it work? But it's really lightweight. I'm just surprised how light it is. Do you like this guy? See, he enjoyed it already. I mean, for 40 bucks, I think it's ideal. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see if this thing even like, give me just a second. All right, give me a second. I think I gotta go ahead and turn it on. Okay. And it has a horn in it. It has forward, backwards, sideways, but of course remote control, you can go left and right, and that's it. Interesting. So it's lightweight. Look how light it is. And I mean, I have a Jeep for him that he can ride on, but that's a little bit big. And of course you can't ride, I don't want to go ahead and use that indoor anymore because I've been using it all around. But this thing just fits everywhere the way the size is. Portability, and you can take this with you, and let's see, and you can also take this to the beach, and he can ride it around. I think he has like a 30 minutes ride time on this one. And he got 12 volt battery. I'm gonna go and check it out. It has a 12 volt battery. And it has, it's about, I would say, maximum capacity on this one that you're allowed to ride is 50 pounds. But we're gonna go check it out if you can actually, you can ride on it. And it can go 2.5 miles an hour. Of course, it's gonna be 5 miles an hour if you're just gonna use the remote control. I think that's gonna be good. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. Go from here. How you like it, Kai? It's huge, huh? Okay, get in. Let's see if you can get in here by yourself. I mean, it's only 1-year-old and 7 months. And let's see if you can actually get in here. It goes like that. Only got one way in. Interesting. And that's at the bottom. You guys see? It has 2 motors in it. So it's gonna be a rear-wheel drive. So this is the battery here. So actually, I think each one of this is probably like what, 6 volt, and this one is 6 volt. So totals be like 12 volt. Then it is right, it's 12 volt, and that's the control module, and that's the 2 motors. You can see down there, and of course there's another one right there. So there's 2 motors in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and see, charge it up, and go from here. Yeah, but it's very sturdy. Wow.